Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and first of all I want to say again congratulations to Good Vibes Only for winning my first giveaway. And second, in this video I will have for you the Bomibag for the month of February, and as usual the guy looks like this. Oops. And let's see what's in this month. As far I can see, we don't have a card for the Bomibag, but most of the products, if not all of them, are similar with the Bomibag. So the first item in here is from PYUNKANG Yule Buttercream. Looks to be, actually it is a full size, and as I can see mine came cracked, so I'm gonna use this one first because I got this one in the Bomibags too. So about this one, because I have the card from the Bomibag, about this one they say it's a multi-purpose rich and creamy moisturizer that forms an oil barrier helping skin retain moisture. Can be used as a last step on your face or body. I tried the other one from the Bomibag for my face and I didn't like it because it's really rich. So I don't like it for my face, but for sure I'm gonna use this for my body. So another item in here, it's this one. This one came also in the Bomibag. It's the same brand, PYUNKANG Yule, and this is Essence soap. What I like about this one for now is the color, and it seems like everything in this bag was bombed, including this soap. So we'll see this one. It says contain green bamboo to gently wash away waste both inside and outside the skin. Vitamin E leaves skin healthy, while coconut oil moisturizes the skin, leaving it clear and smooth. Lather in hands before applying to your body. Can be used also for your face. So yeah, we'll try this one. Then we have a sample here, and this one is the same brand, PYUNKANG Yule. It's a toner, serum, cream. You'll see those for sure in the samples of the week. Then another sample is this one, same brand. This one has a toner, an oil, a gel, and a cream. Those didn't came in the box. Then I have in my bag this little guy, which probably is from the cream, because I don't see anything else here what can be used with that, or I didn't got it, I don't know. Then the first item is this MOLY PANDA'S Dream Eye Patch, and here is one pair. This came also in the Bomibag. And the last item in here is this one, which is from ELIZAVECCA Milky Piggy 24 karat gold water dual snail mask pack. So is this one. So you might see some of the items that I got in both the bag and the box in some future giveaways. So yeah, that's kind of all in my bag. So far we have a full-size cream, a body cream. We have an Essence soap. We have a face mask. We have some eye gel, the eye patch from MOLY, and we have those two samples. So far this is the bag for February from Bomibag. I'm gonna try all those items to see how they are, and let me know what do you think about the bag. I'm gonna leave also the link to the Bomibag unboxing, which I think was great this month. So yeah, that's kind of all for this video. For sure I'm gonna see you today with another video, which probably it's gonna be the FabFitFun spring box, and lots of add-ons to that box. And I don't know, maybe also, or either, I don't know which one is gonna be, the empties for February. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you soon. You have a great weekend. Bye bye.